everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. मैं हूँ अर्पिता शर्मा आपकी एजुकेटर and today we are going to decode the Hindu newspaper dated 21st of September 2021. तो आज हम क्या करने जा रहे हैं? आज हम 21st September 2021 का द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर डिकोड करेंगे. Okay, then gradually we will decode 22nd and 23rd September 2021 the Hindu newspaper as well. So today's newspaper there are a lot of articles which are related to your upcoming preliminary examinations. आपके prelims के examination के लिए काफी important articles हैं आज के newspaper में. Make sure that you have your notes register wherein you are making your notes. या अगर आपके पास notes register नहीं है और आपने notes पहले से बना लिए हैं तो आप इस lecture को as a revisionary lecture भी देख सकते हो. The PDF of this lecture will be uploaded on the Telegram channel that is Simplifying UPSC with Ease. You can simply download it from there. Okay, so let's get started. शुरू करते हैं without any delay. The very first important article, COVID-19 vaccine export to resume. So recently the Drug Controller General of India has granted approval for two vaccines, Covishield and Covaxin. Covishield is by Serum Institute of India, Covaxin is by Bharat Biotech. So basically India is going to resume the export of COVID-19 vaccines under the Vaccine Maitri program. हमारा जो Vaccine Maitri program है उसके अंदर हम अब जो वैक्सीन्स हैं कोविड-19 की उसको एक्सपोर्ट करेंगे जिन कंट्रीज को नीड है इन वैक्सीन्स की. वी आर गोइंग टू एक्सपोर्ट दीज वैक्सीन्स ग्लोबली नाउ टू दोज कंट्रीज विच रिक्वायर दीज वैक्सीन्स अंडर द वैक्सीन मैत्री प्रोग्राम. Okay, so we are resuming or restarting the Vaccine Maitri program in the next month and with the motto Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that is the world is our family. Okay, point clear हुआ? So now over here you have to remember that COVAX is co-led by Gavi, the Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovations and World Health Organization. This is really important. ये point आपका really important है. तो इसको पढ़ना है अच्छे से, ठीक है. What is Gavi and what are the roles and responsibilities of WHO? Now देखो, out of these two vaccines ना, Covaxin is inactivated vaccine. Covishield is a live vaccine. आपके अंदर live उस वेरिएंट के एक रेप्लिका को डाला जाएगा, ठीक है, जो कोविड का वेरिएंट है. कोवैक्सीन इनएक्टिवेटेड है, उसमें लाइव वेरिएंट नहीं है, ये पॉइंट याद रखना है. बट कोवैक्सीन इज इंडियाज ओनली इंडिजिनियस कोविड-19 वैक्सीन, दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. ओके, सो व्हाट इज वैक्सीन डिप्लोमेसी? ये वैक्सीन डिप्लोमेसी क्या होती है? सी, वैक्सीन डिप्लोमेसी is that part of global health diplomacy wherein nation use the development or delivery of vaccines to strengthen the relationship with other nations. For example, if Myanmar requires vaccine, so we are going to help them so that both our relations will become stronger, and this will be a part of global health diplomacy. जो global हम अलग अलग areas में दूसरी countries के साथ relation अच्छे बनाने के लिए एक अपने आप को attach करते हैं ना, उसी का पार्ट होता है ये हेल्थ डिप्लोमेसी भी, उसी का एक पार्ट है. तो जिसके अंदर जिन कंट्रीज को वैक्सीन की जरूरत है हम उन कंट्रीज को वैक्सीन सप्लाई करेंगे, इससे हमारे रिश्ते भी सुधरेंगे और रिश्ते और स्ट्रांग होंगे. So it includes joint development of life-saving vaccines and then we share it amongst each other. The scientists of Myanmar and scientists of India will come together to work on the vaccine and then we will share this technology with each other and with other nations which require our help. Okay? Earlier, India had supplied hydroxychloroquine, remdesivir and paracetamol tablets as well as diagnostic kits, ventilators, masks, gloves and other medical supplies to great number of countries. India has also carried out capacity building. For example, we are helping South Africa by establishing research and development over there, hospitals, labs over there. Okay, जितने भी हमारे नेबरिंग कंट्रीज हैं हम वहां पर कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग और ट्रेनिंग वर्कशॉप्स भी करते हैं ताकि उस कंट्री में भी कैपेसिटी डेवलप किया जा सके, ठीक है. दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर इंडिया. वी कैन हैव वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉलिसीज एंड डिप्लोमेटिक रिलेशंस विद आवर neighborhood countries. That is the vaccine diplomacy. So from India's side we have started giving shipments or sending shipments to Maldives, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Nepal. Now the next on the list are Myanmar and Seychelles. In case of Sri Lanka, Afghanistan and Mauritius, India अभी उनसे confirmation accept कर रही है ताकि regulatory clearances को जल्दी से पूरा करके हम अपना जो स्टॉक होगा वैक्सीन का वो उन्हें पहुंचा सके. The only exception to India's regional vaccine diplomacy would be, as usual, Pakistan, which has cleared AstraZeneca vaccine for use but has neither requested nor discussed any dose from India till yet. Okay, next important article, stubble burning, government to spray biodecomposer in paddy fields. So the Delhi government will start spraying the biodecomposer for free in 4,000 acres of paddy fields in Delhi from October 5 in order to control the stubble burning situation. Biodecomposer is a solution. ओके यहाँ देखो इस पैराग्राफ में देखो आपको आर्टिकल से ही काफी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स मिल जाते हैं. सो बायोडिकम्पोजर इज अ सोल्यूशन, एक तरीके का सोल्यूशन होता है विच इफ इट इज स्प्रेड ऑन द फील्ड्स डिकम्पोजेस द स्ट्रॉ एंड स्टबल इनटू मैन्योर, सो देयर विल बी नो नीड टू बर्न इट. ओके, उसे ऑटोमेटिकली ही स्प्रे करके ही जो आपका स्टबल होते हैं, जो आपके वीट के जो क्रॉप्स होते हैं या पैडी के जो क्रॉप्स होते हैं जो वेस्ट हो गए हैं, ठीक है, तो उनको उन स्टबल को मैन्योर में कन्वर्ट कर देता है ये स्प्रे. Okay, so biodecomposer capsule is developed by a Pusa Institute which is made into a solution. Then it is sprayed on the ground. Okay, this was tried for the first time in 2020 also, and the Delhi government said that the results were greatly positive. Next important article, President honors Brigadier Saraswati in a virtual ceremony. President Ramnath Kovind ji, he gave the National Florence Nightingale Award 2020 to Deputy Director General of Military Nursing Services Brigadier S.V. Saraswati for her contribution to the MNS as Nurse Administrator. MNS is Military Nursing Service. So Florence Nightingale Awards, they were instituted, they were formed in the year 1973 to mark or to congratulate or to recognize the meritorious services rendered by the nurses to the society that could be seen during the COVID-19 pandemic also. Unacademy has launched new batches starting from 22nd September 2021. These new batches are for 2022 and 23 aspirants. As you can see, we are starting a 1-year and 2-year batch course wherein we will be covering prelims, mains and optional syllabus. We will be covering all the NCERTs, all the required resources by top educators of India. और ये सब कुछ कवर किया जाएगा एक लिमिटेड टाइम फ्रेम में, ताकि आपकी रिवीजन भी हम करवा सके, क्रैश कोर्स भी करा सके, मॉक टेस्ट भी आप दे सके. ऐसे ही हमने 2 ईयर का बैच भी लॉन्च किया है, एंड ऑल दीज बैचेस आर इन 3 डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस. वी हैव हिंदी बैच, वी हैव इंग्लिश बैच, वी हैव बाइलिंगुअल बैच एज वेल. ऑल्सो एट Unacademy वी हैव नाउ innovated a very important feature, that is raise your hand feature, wherein now no longer you will have to wait for the educator to reply to your comment which you have put in the comment section. If you have any doubt in between the class, simply raise your hand and get your doubt solved. आपसे बात करके directly educator जो होगा वो आपके doubt को solve करेगा क्लास के बीच में ही, ठीक है? So you can use code ARPITA10 to get 10% discount on your Unacademy Plus subscription, and subscribe today because the batches have started already from 22nd September. तो अभी एक ही दिन हुआ है, फटाफट से subscribe कर लीजिए. Links are given below in the description box. A very important article, Buddha collection on display soon. So National Museum's extensive collections are set to be displayed in new locations in the city. Now here there are different, you can see sculptures of Lord Buddha which are on display in the National Museum. Red sandstone head of Buddha and a sculpture in the preaching pose over here you can see from the National Museum. Now the mudras related to Lord Buddha, they are asked a lot in the preliminary examination. So we have to study about the mudras also, or the gestures also. Now a question came in 2012 in the pre-exam regarding the Bhumi Sparsh Mudra. भूमि स्पर्श मुद्रा के ऊपर एक क्वेश्चन आपके प्री 2012 में आया था. मुद्रा मीन्स हैंड जेस्टर्स. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाई वी हैव टू स्टडी अबाउट द मुद्रास. व्हाट इज अ मुद्रा? इट्स अ पोजीशन ऑफ हैंड ऑफन डिपिक्टेड इन बुद्धिस्ट आर्ट एंड जैन आर्ट ऑल्सो. इट इज कॉमनली फाउंड the commonly found mudras or representations of Buddhas are hands folded in the lap, which signifies meditation. And we all know when we meditate we accumulate a lot of energy, and we can give away that energy, or we can use that energy to heal someone, to spread positivity, and that can be done through various mudras. Okay, for example, we have the Uttara Bodhi Mudra. This gesture denotes supreme enlightenment by connecting oneself with divine or universal energy. जो universal energy है, जिसे हम पर ब्रह्म कहते हैं या कृष्ण कॉन्शियसनेस कहते हैं, ये जो यूनिवर्सल एनर्जी है जिससे ये पूरा यूनिवर्स आप देख रहे हो, द एंटायर यूनिवर्स इज मैग्निफिसेंट. It's this energy is beaming. We are studying about new planets, new asteroids, new stars, new different galaxies altogether. That is the great universal energy. And when the supreme enlightenment is attained, that is because your soul gets connected with this universal energy. And this Uttara Bodhi Mudra depicts that. It is performed with the help of both the hand, which placed at the heart, that is at the center of your chest, and the index fingers touching and pointing upwards like this, and the remaining fingers are intertwined with each other. That is the Uttara Bodhi Mudra. Then we have the Namaskar Mudra. When you greet someone, you do Namaste by joining your hands. That is the नमस्कार मुद्रा. आपको पता है जब आप नमस्ते करते हो वो क्यों किया जाता है? नमस्कार मुद्रा जो है एक तरीके से एक जेस्टर है, आप किसी को ग्रीट कर रहे हो या किसी के लिए प्रे कर रहे हो या किसी चीज को अडोर कर रहे हो, एंड दैट हैज दीज हैंड्स हैव टू बी प्लेस्ड एट द मिडल ऑफ योर चेस्ट, दैट इज एट द हार्ट चक्रा, द अनाहटा चक्रा. Okay, this is also known as Hridyanjali Mudra. So the peace that emanates from your heart, the love that comes out of your heart chakra, that you can send it to the guest through the Namaskar Mudra. Then we have the Dharma Chakra Mudra. It is also called as the gesture of teaching of the wheel of Dharma, that describes most important moments in Buddha's life when he performed Dharma Chakra Mudra in his first lecture in Sarnath. जब बुद्ध को पहली बार enlightenment का attainment हुआ था ना, पहली बार enlighten हुए थे सबसे पहली बार, उसके बाद ही तुरंत जब उन्होंने जो पहला lecture दिया था वो धर्म चक्र के बारे में दिया था, जिसको हम बोलते हैं teaching of the wheel of Dharma. उसमें ये मुद्रा यूज किया गया था. Okay, it is performed with both help of both the hands, which are held against the chest, and the left facing inward, covering the right facing outward. Then we have the Dhyan Mudra. It is also known as Samadhi or Yoga Mudra. Now it is performed with the two hands which are placed on the lap, and this is the characteristic gesture of Buddha Shakya Muni or Dhyani Buddha Amitabh or the medicine Buddha when he goes into deep meditation. Then this mudra was asked in 2012 prelims. इस मुद्रा के बारे में क्वेश्चन आया था, भूमि स्पर्श मुद्रा. Now it is said when Buddha he sat under the neem tree before he got enlightenment, he was faced with this inner demon of attachment, lust, materialistic desires, which was known as demon Mara. And to kill that demon, he called upon Mother Goddess Earth to be his witness when he was attaining enlightenment, and that is why he touched the earth, which is known as this moment at the moment of his awakening, and this gesture was known as the Bhumi Sparsha Mudra. Bhumi means earth, Sparsh means touching. Okay, the next important article, Western Ghats offer major additions to flora. So the Botanical Survey of India in the new publication Plant Discoveries 2020, it has added 267 new species in the country's flora. टैक्सा मीन स्पीशीज ऑल्सो. ओके, अभी 267 स्पीशीज फ्लोरा में ऐड किया. फ्लोरा मतलब जो प्लांट फूल पौधे होते हैं. ओके, सो द 267 न्यू डिस्कवरीज दे इंक्लूड 119 एंजियोस्पर्म्स, 3 पेट्रिडोफाइट्स, 5 ब्रायोफाइट्स, 44 lichens, 57 fungi and 21 algae and 18 microbes. And 9 new species of balsam and 1 species of wild banana were discovered from Darjeeling. Underline this is important. 1 species of wild jamun was recorded from Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu, and a species of fern was discovered from Kandhamal in Odisha. एंड बोटानिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया एक एपेक्स टैक्सोनॉमिक रिसर्च ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट, फॉरेस्ट एंड क्लाइमेट चेंज के अंडर आती है. इसको पहली बार 1890 में सर जॉर्ज किंग के द्वारा इंडिया में स्टैब्लिश किया गया था. दिस इज अ फैक्ट विच इज एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर प्रिलिमिनरी एग्जामिनेशन. This was all for today. I hope you enjoyed your lecture. If you really did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.